12.9-inch. Speaking of which, we do have an iPad giveaway, so please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and stick to the end of the video to get the details of the iPad giveaway. Okay, with that being said, bear with me, it is 3:39 a.m. So this is a very easy trick to do. All you have to do is go to Safari. Once you go to Safari, beta iOS 14 download. So we're going to have to go to Apple Beta Software Program. Click on that. So basically all you have to do, my anxiety's through the roof. Basically all you have to do is you have to sign up and become a member. Or if you're already signed up, you could just sign in. I'm going to just roll the dice and see if I can sign in since I am an iOS 13 beta user. So you're definitely going to want to back up your iPad because I heard it wipes all your data. Alright. Damn that anxiety. Okay. We're going to hit download profile right here. Once we hit download profile, we're going to go ahead and hit allow. So this is your profile has been downloaded. So we hit that. And then what we're going to want to do is we're going to go to our settings. And then once we go to our settings, we're going to want to go down here to profiles. Right here at the bottom, underneath VPN, it says profiles. We're just going to hit that one. And there we go. We got iOS 14 beta software. So we're just going to click on that. It's super easy. We're going to hit the install right here on the top right hand corner. Put in our password. Super simple, right? And then we're going to have to hit install. And then install. Super simple. So I'm glad I was recording it on the Sony. So once we hit 1,000 subscribers, you guys, we will be doing the iPad giveaway. I know I said that so many times, but we are so close from getting to 1,000 subscribers. I'm not tired at all. You guys, thanks for watching. Super simple, super easy. If this is informative, please leave a